let's go, guys. So today we are going on a hike to this mountain. Now we will gonna onboard our journey. Hip hip. We'll keep you guys updated with it. What's the temperature?
Feeling very excited.
Yeah.
Temperature is around 30 degrees.
She is discovering something new, Ayurvedic plants. We just started and we already got one instructions from our team member that we have to take a halt for every 5 minutes.
Every 5 minutes, 15 minute hold required.
Yeah. See, it's not even been 2 minutes since we started hiking, and this ladies want to take a halt. And so we have reached our first viewing point, which seems to be very beautiful. Some of the local guys are accompanying us from our back.
They are not local guys. They are local for badminton.
Yeah, that could be. It seems to be a deadly trekking because there is no greenery on the top. But the road is really good. It is well developed.
Whenever see bears, we need to pull this button like this.
Yeah, it's a security weapon for us
So Bhalu gonna run away.
to save ourselves from the bears. So guys, this is our second stop within 5 minutes since we started. See the faces of these girls. See?
Because he is working 70 hours.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, we started our trekking. And also
enjoying a lot.
quite easy hiking for rest of the guys, but not for the 3 women who is following us from back. You can see the faces of those women.
So efficient. Exactly. Like they were like, if you do it all now.
There was a bit of disturbance in between.
That's what I'm saying that.
Sorry for that.
Yeah. Like yes, yeah, you can do it, but you know this.
He's trying to be born and brought up here, like present himself like that. But
buddy.
this is our 4th halt.
થોડા પાણી પીવો ને હજી
These 2 guys are giving up. They are not coming upstairs with us. Yeah. They will just gonna sit here and take
વધારે બહુ ન પી જતા નકર heavy થઈ જાય.
care of our jackets and bags. So guys, we are halfway of our trekking, and see the faces of these people. They are really tired. Their dress has been out of hand. So the view from here is so beautiful. We are at the altitude of 2500 meters square. So
મોઢે થી શ્વાસ
we have restarted. Guys are motivated like never before for this hike to complete it because
વુમન શીખો.
she got hurt twice while this trekking before even it started. Yeah, the roads are made up of cement. So it's a very constructed road.
Long trip guys, long trip. Very narrow.
This guy is not letting their hands go down from each other. They are enjoying their moment in their own space, ignoring all of us. 1000x now after seeing a front view. See their faces now, they are no more tired because they got a very good. Hello, let's go. I guess we will gonna reach the summit of this mountain in about 5 or 10 minutes, but these guys are still tired and not motivated at all. See, everyone is so motivated to see the view from the top. She is motivated like never before to reach to summit and get that view from the top. We'll see you guys once we reach at the top. Yeah. So we are almost there at the summit. See, we are almost there to the point. It is so beautiful. So guys, this is the summit of this mountain. We did it with a halt. to be honest, but all of us were so tired because we were roaming around the city since the morning. So it's a good trek, I would say. But made it up this way. This is the view from the mountain. Might not be audible anymore because of the wind blowing from. So we are here, the top. Kennedy is Gohumbo at the top now.
खराब समझ लो